This seed processing plant does something that no field can do. Here, every seed is treated before it is planted by the farmer. And in doing so, quietly, invisibly, this facility changes what the next harvest will look like.
The treatment recipe is prepared in a slurry tank like this one. Water first. 8 milliliters for every kilogram of seed. Enough to carry and disperse the chemistry, not enough to drown it. Then comes the seed's first defense, a liquid fungicide, Thiram, 1 gram per kilogram of seed. When it dries on the seed, it will kill, on contact, the fungi and bacteria that would otherwise rot the seed before it can germinate. A first mix, to blend the ingredients through the water. Then a powder, Medchal, 2 grams per kilogram. A second systemic defense, this one from inside the seed itself, absorbed by the young root as the seedling grows. And then the ingredient that makes all of this hold and coordinate together. It is called seed primer, a bio-polymer sealed in red. It is the binding agent. Without it, every chemical added so far would simply wash off the seed in the first rain. The polymer joins the rest, and the slurry takes its color red, vivid, final. And now, the most important step of all. The slurry must be mixed, uniformly, completely, for minutes, not seconds. Because if the mixture is uneven, every seed that follows will be coated unevenly, and the work of this entire process will have been wasted. From here, the processing is automatic. Every 40 seconds, 16 kilograms of seed drop from the hopper above into the coating drum below. Inside, the drum waits. At its center, a rotating disc, the heart of the machine. The batch falls. From a pipe falls the slurry. The disc plate spins and throws the liquid outward in a fine, even sheet. Watch the seeds turn red. And then stillness. The batch leaves the drum, drops into a waiting hopper, and from there it awaits a journey upward. Before any seed can be packaged, it must be properly dried. And here, seed primer is at an advantage over other synthetic or chemical polymers. Its quick drying property. Moisture is the enemy of packaged seed. Too much and the batch will mold before it reaches the farmer. So the seed must be dried completely. In a vertical dryer, it hops and falls through warm air until it is bone dry. Some specks always escape. Tiny husks shed during handling. No coating can stop it completely, but look at these seeds. The color is vibrant. The dust, mostly, arrested. Because seed primer is more than a coating. It is a laminating film layer, a thin biological skin that wraps every seed. A patented film-forming biopolymer that holds chemistry and dust off better than any coating in the industry. Bag by bag for a farmer who is waiting. Each one weighed to the gram, so that the farmer who plants it can trust every single grain. Sealed against everything between this processing plant and a farmer's hand. Inside each bag, a farmer's hope and seed primer's promise of a better harvest. 2 seeds, 1 promise. And the season begins. Seed primer, the first coat of every harvest.